Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Touch to Click. Today I will show you how to add album art to MP3 files, so your music looks complete with a proper cover image. Now let's get started. This video will guide you through the full process in a quick and simple way. Step 1. Open your web browser which you use to access the internet. Type MP3 Tag in the search bar and open the official MP3 Tag website, then click on the download option to get the installer. Step 2. Open File Explorer from your computer to access your files. Go to the Downloads folder, find the MP3 Tag installer, double-click it, and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software properly. Step 3. Locate the MP3 file you want to edit, because this is the song that will receive the album art. Drag and drop that file into the MP3 Tag window to load it, then click on the file once so it becomes selected for editing. Step 4. Look at the left side panel where the cover preview area appears. Right-click on the blank cover icon, which is used to manage album art. Choose Add Cover. Select the image you want from your computer and click Open to insert it. Step 5. Click the Save button at the top left corner, because this applies all the changes you made. And your MP3 file will now include the album art, so it displays correctly in music players. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.